Hello guys, this is me Ankur Aggarwal. Today again we are here at the site of Aqua Arc. I'll show you exactly what we have done in last 3 months.
B2, B1 level, ground floor, first floor, done as per approved shop drawing.
We are not facing any problems in getting the supplies as well. By December we are targeting that we will reach to the 12th floor and we will complete our structure. Hello guys, how are you doing? This is me Ankur Aggarwal. Today again we are here at the site of Aqua Arc, and today with me as usual Mr. Altaf Bhai is here, Mr. Sohail Bhai is here and Mr. Khurram is here. In our previous episode of Build Different, we have shown you what exactly we are doing at the site, and people have put a lot of questions like what exactly we are doing on the site and where the progress has reached. Do we able to complete our project on time? So today here is the answer. I'm again here. I'll show you exactly what we have done in last 3 months. Mr. Altaf will explain us everything, what exactly we were promising you and where exactly we have reached. So, Mr. Altaf Bhai, are you ready?
Yes.
I hope we are in a again safe position and we haven't delayed a single day and just because of the unfortunate situation. So what do you think, like, are we delaying or are we on time exactly where we are like?
The situation is completely under control. It has impacted for little time during the conflict period. We have overcome that situation and the progress is very good. We have completed the substructure 100%. And even the first floor is finished 70% and the second floor is in progress.
So can you explain us like where exactly we were in our last episode and where exactly we have reached, so at least our viewers, our customers can take a comparison of what exactly work has been done in last 3-4 months. So
3 months before we were in pile caps position. Okay, we were doing the substructure work, that too raft. Okay, so the raft has been completed. The raft itself is around 7,800 square meter.
Wow.
It's a very big raft which has been completed in 4 parts. Okay, now the superstructure is started, which is 3 parts. Each part is around 1,400 square meters and the third one is being 2,300 square meters.
Right.
So that is the area we are doing it.
So shall we go to the site and see?
Yes, let
exactly
us show you the site, what's happening on
let's
there.
go. I can see a lot of difference. If you can explain us a little, like where exactly we were.
Last time when we came, we were 1 level below. It was raft was partially being poured. Half of it was not done. And there was basement B2, which was not fully done. So now when you come to the stage today, basement 2 level B2, which is water tank utility area, completely done. Raft is 100% complete. Ground floor is 70% complete. First floor is 70% done, concrete poured.
Yes.
And even second floor, we are going to pour within a week.
30% the work is in progress now.
It is in progress. So this is beautiful progress, what has been done, what has been achieved. Despite the given situation, background in last February, March, April, we arranged all logistic, of course, man contractor doing excellent job. All this is in control.
Perfect. So can we go inside? So we are at level 1 and as you can see, like we have a clear view of Win already from here.
Project location is beautiful.
Yep.
One side you can see the sea view completely, and this is only Villa's project. As the building goes up, the view is completely uneven.
Exactly. You will have a sea view.
Is also
Wind view is absolutely clear from here. Yeah, there is unobstructed wind view practically from most of the apartments. Right. It's very nice.
This is second floor.
From construction perspective, this all slab has been broken into 3 parts, part A, part B, part C. So it will look like triangle during a construction, right angle triangle. Part A will supersede, then part B will happen. Between part A and part B, 70% of construction will be done. Part C will lag by 3 to 4 weeks from part A and part B. And so this is what encompasses. Pour has been planned accordingly. And not only this part, what you see is civil part. MEP, mechanical, electrical, plumbing is progressing in parallel. So from basement B2, all first fix which is required, which we don't get to see in everyday life, is already concealed, coordinated, checked at every stage so that when building is being built, commissioned, it is usable and we don't get any surprises. So B2, B1 level, ground floor, first floor, done as per approved shop drawing.
Execution is in the second level.
Right, right.
The engineering is for the 6th and 7th floor. It is
Understood,
going on.
understood. So let's say from here, what exactly is our goals and the timeline? So how it will be
It is
progressed
going
likely?
to be a 14-day cycle for the whole slab. So
Okay,
three
so
part-
14 days, 2 weeks for one slab.
Yes.
Right.
Okay. So each part will be going different way, but overall duration for total slab will be 14 days.
Right.
So by this way, monthly 2 slabs we will be doing it. We are targeting most likely by end of December to complete the structure.
So it means that we will reach to the 12th floor.
Yes, 12th floor.
12th floor by December.
By
end. This is
December,
what we are
the
targeting.
roof and this
So
thing will
every
be in there.
14 days we will achieve one slab, and by December we are targeting that we will reach to
12th
the
floor will be completed.
yeah, we will reach to the 12th floor and
Yes.
we will complete our structure.
Yes.
Right.
Finishing is going to start. The basement
Finishing,
work as
yeah.
we are starting de-shuttering now, the MEP works, everything, civil works are going to start. So it will be already starting by chain reaction on that one.
Chain reaction. Yeah,
Yes.
got it.
And facade also we can,
A facade by the time we finish 7th floor,
because the shape
the
is
facade works will also start externally. As half of the structure is completed, we'll start the works for that also. So the expected
Perfect.
completion date is August 2027.
Exactly. This
So
is the
which
date.
we are in line with the program as of.
Perfect. So what I have understood here is that we will reach to the structure, complete structure level by December end, and parallelly we will start doing our finishing work as well from the ground floor.
100.
And the due date, which is August 2027, will be the completion date for the Aqua Arc project,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
So it means that there is not a single day delay due to the unprecedented situation which is happening here. And we are getting enough material supplies, or are we facing any challenges on getting the material supplies?
Now, no. Now we are not getting any disruption.
Okay, so
because
this
of-
is also important to understand, guys, that we are not facing any problems in getting the supplies as well. So this situation will not hamper the date for the construction, the timeline for the construction as well.
Most of the materials are local only as far as concrete, steel is concerned, which is available completely.
Right,
Okay, and the long lead delivery items already ordered,
already ordered.
so that it come in time.
let's say provision some item, PC item, elevator is being placed directly by BNW. So that is long lead item which is thought through, and all provision on site is being done as per that. Even the chillers, the engineering submission is cleared. LPO for chiller is being placed. So by the time you finish your structure, MEP contractor will have FAHU, chillers, FCO in place. Maybe we are also planning to start fixing FCO's chill water pipeline in the lower floors. So MEP and civil is going hand in hand. All the shop drawing, engineering submittal is being thought through.
Yes.
When what will be needed, it will be ordered, placed. All logistics is being incorporated.
Great,
Pillars submitted
Yeah.
already.
great,
And-
great, great.
And all these item is from grade A supplier.
We are actually in a very safe hand, and as we can see also that going perfectly on time. Though the time is not very perfect for the region, but still we don't feel like we are delaying or like we are not completing the projects in a specified due date. So everything is in place, as I can see.
Yes,
Yeah,
correct.
And it is part C. We call it technically, like we have divided as per logistic parts.
Yeah, because this is a very complex and complicated area.
Yes.
Here the entrance walls are there.
Hmm.
We have a grand entrance for this one with slanted walls. This is 12 meters long and 60 meter thick.
In a month time. So second floor fully.
Second floor will be in progress for the part C.
Okay.
Okay.
Part C,
Third
yes.
floor, part A, part B will be done. Fourth floor, part A will be done.
And that brings us to the latest from Aqua Arc. In the next episode, we will take you closer to our other work in progress sites, as there is a lot more taking shape across the BNW portfolio. And we will continue to bring you the stories, progress, and the milestones behind what we are building. Until then, this is Ankur Aggarwal signing off. See you in the next one. Hasta la vista.